Welcome to Michael H.H. Warren, where we make learning a lot more predictable and a little less boring. Today, we're diving deep into the world of education on YouTube, featuring our two top contenders in this knowledge-fueled brawl, Khan Academy and Crash Course. Who will take home the crown for the most engaging educational channel? Let's get risky. First up, we have Khan Academy, the independent non-profit that's been schooling students since 2008, with a mission to provide a free, world-class education for anyone, anywhere. Sounds like the academic Avengers, right? Khan Academy offers a vast range of subjects, from math to history. They even teach you how to not pull your hair out during algebra. And now, let's meet Crash Course, the brainchild of the Green brothers, John and Hank. This dynamic duo have been throwing knowledge bombs since 2012, packing educational punch into courses of all subjects, with a side of sarcasm. So, how do these two educational juggernauts compare in teaching style? Khan Academy's approach is systematic and structured. Picture a well-organized bookshelf, everything in its place, perfect for those who like predictability. On the flip side, Crash Course is like a roller coaster of visuals and fast-paced chat. They make learning fast and fun with quirky animations and witty punchlines. Less bookshelf, more wild ride. Now, let's take a look at how these channels got started. Khan Academy began with Salman Khan tutoring his cousin over the internet. Soon, what started as a simple video upload turned into a global phenomenon. Who knew tutoring could go viral? Secondly, Crash Course took off when the Green brothers decided to crash through traditional education methods. With their witty content and relatable charm, they've become the go-to source for students seeking snappy lessons. Alright everyone, it's poll time. In the comments below, tell us which channel you prefer and why. Team Khan or Team Crash? Whatever you choose, education is the real winner here. And remember, learning is free, but you gotta pay for that coffee. Let's talk numbers. Khan Academy boasts over 8 million subscribers with hundreds of thousands of video views. Meanwhile, Crash Course, with its engaging content, has amassed over 14 million subscribers. Clearly, they're doing something right. So, who wins today's showdown? Both channels are incredible for different reasons, but the real takeaway is this: education is evolving, and these platforms lead the charge. Remember, whether it's Khan Academy or Crash Course, or even that random YouTube video about slime, keep learning. Because knowledge, my friends, is not just power, it's a chance to impress your friends and possibly win trivia night. Thanks for tuning into Michael H.H. Warren. Until next time, keep it risky. Welcome to Michael H.H. Warren channel, where we make learning a little less boring and a little more predictable. I'm gonna get slaughtered on YouTube. Oh, a little bit wobbly.